What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a new video. I'm gonna demonstrate the NanoR bot again. So I got a fresh wallet with my lucky number 16 soul. Okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate the NanoR bot. It's a arbitrage monitoring and execution bot. It uses Solana and Ethereum. So yeah, it's a high-speed arbitrage built for Solana and Ethereum. NanoArb scans multiple dexes in real time, executes trades in milliseconds to capture price differences. So basically, it's a really high-speed arbitrage bot that is profitable right now, and I've been like testing it out. It works really good. So I'm gonna leave the bot's link in the description below. Go check it out and try it for yourself. So let's go. I have like 1K and 300 right here. I'm gonna demonstrate with this wallet. So basically, you're gonna start the bot. You're gonna start now, and you're gonna import your Solana or Ethereum wallet. Basically, you're gonna like I'm gonna go with the Solana. You're gonna like send your Solana private key, and it will be like processed securely. It's gonna be deleted, and as soon as the wallet gets imported into the bot. So yeah, obviously the arbitrage bot needs to have access to the wallet, so it can like execute trades automatically, and all you're gonna do is like watch it like execute trades, and it's gonna send you DMs of the profits and everything. So we're gonna like I'm gonna import my wallet right now. I just imported my private key right here, and like that, just Sol wallet imported successfully. Now you can import the other chain or activate the bot. So basically you can import another Ethereum wallet, or you can just activate the bot, and we're gonna go ahead and activate it. As soon as we do that, it's gonna start looking for profitable trades, and it's gonna monitor arbitrage opportunities and execute these trades. So basically we're gonna just activate it, and NanoArb is activated. Now scanning Solana and Ethereum for opportunities. So basically we're gonna just sit here a bit until it's executing trades. And that was quick, actually. Yeah, we got our first execution right here. The position was 4 Sol, and the net profit was $5, which is really good. And yeah, I'm just gonna wait. There we go. More executions and more trades. We got another one with 5 Sol position and a $1 profit. And you're gonna like think this is like not much, right? But hey, it's passive income. Like you can run the bot all day long, and it's gonna keep bring in profits. So basically this is $10 right now, and it's gonna keep going. You can like leave it running 24/7 and it's gonna bring profits. There we go. More profits. $3, $3, and $3. Nice. We're at $17 right now. This is the total P&L. Yeah, and just like that, it's gonna keep on bringing profits. It like barely misses sometimes. Does not say profit. This says like missed opportunity or something like that, and it barely misses. So yeah, you can just like check it out for yourself. I would probably for a beginner, I would probably go in with like 5 Sol, test out the bot and everything. It's a really good starting point, in my opinion. So you can like get good opportunities like this, with positions that is less than 5 sol, but your wallet's gonna be when the bot needs like a good position like this or like this, it's gonna the wallet's gonna provide that, right? So yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's wait a bit and see if it executes more trades. There we go, more another trade with $4 profit. That's really good on a 2% edge. That's cool. Buy on Phoenix and sell on Orca. Yeah. So we're at 21 bucks profit right now. And it's gonna keep going, guys. So it's a really good opportunity for people who's trying to get into the arbitrage. And yeah, just go and check it out for yourself. The link is gonna be in the description below. And this is everything for today, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Okay, hold on. Now we're at 24 bucks profit. Yeah, it's gonna keep going. I'm telling you guys. So I'll see you on the next video.